All right, here's a try it on your own. If cotangent theta equals 12 over 5, find tangent theta. Go ahead, pause, and then come back. All right, so because tangent is equivalent to 1 over cotangent, or as we say, they're reciprocals of each other, all we have to do is go ahead and flip that fraction, and we get 5 over 12. I'm going to give you another one, so we'll call that 1. Let's see, I'm going to give you that sine theta equals negative 1/4. We need to find cosecant of theta. Go ahead, try that one on your own, and then come back. All right, hopefully that was also another easy-ish one. Because sine and cosecant are reciprocals of each other, we get -4 for our answer.